Most hacks don't start with code, they start with carelessness. That's right. The biggest threats to your online life aren't mysterious hackers in hoodies, but little lapses in your daily habits. Let's travel back for a second. The basics of cyber hygiene haven't changed much. Patch your software, use strong passwords, and always back up your stuff. But here's the good news. Staying safe online is easier than ever. Multi-factor authentication, password managers, automatic updates do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. It's like having a personal trainer, but for your digital life. So why do breaches still happen? 2 words: phishing password reuse, clicking that sketchy link, or recycling the same password everywhere. That's how most cyber attacks sneak in. Think of cyber hygiene like brushing your teeth. If you skip it, the problems build up quietly, until one day, boom, you've got a full-blown security cavity. But here's the best part. The future of cyber hygiene is about making good habits automatic. Devices and apps are getting smarter, baking security right into your daily routines. One day, you might not even notice you're practicing good cyber hygiene. It'll just happen by default. So remember, strong habits beat strong firewalls every time. Take a minute, check your settings, and make cyber hygiene your new normal. Your future self will thank you.